Hello and welcome to my quiz generator assignment based on my interactive quiz from last week, which was Major Battles of the Civil War. The tool that I am using is quizmaker.com. When you're taken to the main page, you're presented with the title of the quiz, and for each question you get an image based on the battle or person of the question. You are given the question itself, and then here's several possible answers, and in other questions you are given a true and false option. Now, regardless of what answer you choose, you are given feedback based on whether it's right or wrong. In this instance, an incorrect answer generated feedback to tell you why the answer is incorrect, and it shows you the correct answer. We'll select the correct answer here. Here's some background information on it. Here's another correct answer. And this is an incorrect answer. It gives you some feedback on why it is incorrect. At the end, you will select Finish down here. You will type in your email address. See results, and you are given a grade. In this case, it is 50%. Thank you for watching.